So for this project, I went outside and I grabbed about 8 sticks, and I started with Republic Red from Wise Owl Paint, and I painted 4 of the sticks with the Republic Red. And these sticks were about 19 inches long. They don't all have to be the exact size. I then took some Antique Villa and I painted the other 4 sticks. And I went over each stick 2 times for good coverage. And I allowed all those sticks to dry. And once they were dry, I took some Anchor from Wise Owl Paint and a small art brush. And I made a mark down the first top 4 sticks. And I painted the left side of the stick with the Anchor. It was a little less than halfway. And when you lay them together, you will get a small rectangle. I then had this board that's 14.5 by 19.5, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. And using some General Finishes Gel Stain Antique Walnut and a Gen foam brush, I covered the entire board with the gel stain. Once you had a good amount applied and you got in the slats on the board, I then took some paper towel and wiped off any excess gel stain. Once the gel stain was dry, I then went back to the sticks I had painted and I attached them to my board using some wood glue and a little bit of hot glue. I started with the blue and white stick, and then I alternated with the blue and red sticks. And once I used the first 4 sticks that had the Anchor on them, I then alternated with the remaining sticks of the all white and all red. I then set that aside to dry, and then I grabbed these foam stars from Dollar General. They came a pack of 2 silver and 2 gold. And I just took some Antique Villa and dabbed over the silver glitter as I wanted the stars to be white. And once they were dry, I took some E6000 and just placed them randomly throughout the blue sections of my stick. And I allowed that to dry. And then now you just have this Americana DIY stick flag that you can hang anywhere in your home. And if it's something you want to place outside, I recommend using a varnish or the 1 Hour Enamel Clear as your top coat. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget you can check out some other tutorials on our webpage or YouTube. Have a great day.